Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to shorten jeans that are too long without sewing. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So I am 5'7", and pretty much every pair of jeans that I ever buy are all too long, okay, for my body type, for my body size, for my height, and so forth. So I have to shorten every pair of jeans that I own. And I go through jeans rather quickly because I carry lots of stuff in my pockets. So, I get holes in the pockets quite often. The pockets get faded. I don't really care for my jeans, so I just use them in any situation. Therefore, I go through them quickly. I ruin them quickly. I probably go through a solid 2 to 3 pairs of jeans a year, which to you might not seem like a lot, but to me that is a lot, okay? So I actually don't shorten any of those jeans through sewing. I actually shorten them through a different method. It's free, it's easy, it lasts the lifetime of the jeans. Nobody notices that they're not sewn, trust me. And you can adjust it to different heights too. So I'm going to put the camera on the ground. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, give you a better view over here. You can see underneath the vanity in the basement bathroom. So as you can see right here, okay, this is the side that I already did it on, and this is the side that I didn't. So this side is way too long, as you can see, and this side is the correct height. So I'm going to show you what I do, because it's not sewn. It's not sewn. All that I do, I'm going to get down over here on one knee. Okay, I'm not proposing to you guys. Relax. I'm a married man. Chill out. Okay, relax. Anyways, all joking aside, you're going to take your jeans, okay, and you're going to roll them up underneath into themselves. So I'm going to just lift them from below my feet, and I'm going to roll them underneath into themselves. You want to pick roughly the length that you want the jeans to be. So I'm going to pick, and you can probably see my line on there that's already on there from before. It's kind of faded, but it's over here. But basically, I'm going to say that I want the jeans to be roughly this length, somewhere about here. So, and you can adjust it later, not a big deal. I'm going to roll them underneath into themselves. And here's the key to make them look good. You want to make sure that underneath they're nice and straight. Don't clump them up. You want whatever extra length is there, you want to really push it up as high as possible, straighten it out as much as possible. And also, as you can see, it's uneven right now. The back is a little too low, the front is a little too high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the back up a touch, okay? And I'm going to bring the front down a touch, just like that, okay? Once you have the length that you want, so I'm going to stand up, right? Once I have the length that I want, I'm happy with this length. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to make sure that it, as much as possible, is straightened out. And I'll tell you why. As you wear these jeans, this crease that you created is going to get better and better. It's going to get more and more significant. And what that means is that it's going to sort of ingrain itself into the jeans. And then after you wash them, you're going to be able to feel and see a little bit of the crease where you can just sort of fold it back up into place. Okay? It honestly, now that I've done it so many times, it honestly takes me maybe 30 seconds to do this for both pant legs. And it makes the world of a difference with regards to not having to, number one, pay for someone to sew my jeans. Number two, sew them myself. And number three, I can always change them. Let's say, okay, my kids are young right now, but let's say my son's older and he wants to wear my jeans and he's taller than me. He can still wear them because I can just unroll that little cuff that I created. It's that simple, honestly. Number one, it'll save you money. And you won't have to worry about making an appointment, bringing your jeans in. Some people are like, oh, do it the right way. Yeah, you're right, I should. But, I'm not going to go and hem these jeans and sew these jeans, and then they're going to end up being donated to, in 3 months, 4 months from now because they're destroyed. So, it's very, very simple. That's how I shorten my jeans that are too long. I do this with every pair of jeans because I'll tell you, it's hard to find a pair of jeans that is a 30-inch length. And even when I do find them, 30 inches is just a slight too long. Listen, I was not blessed with many things, okay? I was not blessed with hair as an adult. I was blessed with hair as a kid, but then I lost it as I got older, okay? In my early 20s, I was already bald. I was not blessed, with height, okay? I'm 5'7", 5'7" and a half if I really straighten out my posture. I was blessed with many great things, though. I will tell you, I have a great family. Okay, I have a great charisma. I have an unbelievable life that I've created for myself. But, you know, being tall enough to fit into sort of like standard size jeans that are easily found and easily available, it's not one of the things that it was on my list of things that I was blessed with. It's that simple. So that's how to shorten jeans. I use this method all the time. Really, really easy, and I want to share with you. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure there's a reflection over there, just in case you guys want to see a little tour of the basement bathroom. No problem. Here we are. As you can see over here, I had a sauna over here, and I turned it into a drum room because I don't have time to use a sauna. So, and if I do, I'm going to go to the gym. I'm not going to use it here, so I turned it into a drum room. And street guys, okay, you know what? I never do this, right? I'll give you just a quick snapshot of my basement. So my basement's pretty cool. It's 2 levels. This is the upper level. And then that goes to upstairs, actually. And then if you look kind of over there, it kind of goes down to the lower level over there. No, wrong side. Wrong side. There it goes down to the lower level. As you can see right beside my head over there, it goes down to the next level. Anyways, I never really show much of my personal, like my house and stuff like that. But I figured, what the heck? It's all good. All right, if you like this video tutorial, and hopefully you enjoyed the little tour. Maybe one day I'll give you guys like a full-blown tour. Like, what? Maybe one day, we'll see. If you comment enough and you want it, I'll clean it up and I'll give you a tour. Right now it's a mess. I'm holding a garage sale, so I'm gathering stuff to sort of sell off. But anyways, if you like the video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.